Hi guys. Me. Hi guys. Today Today we're playing Grow Garden 2. So I've played this game a bit before, but like off camera. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So first you grow plants by getting common by getting common seeds. Then you wait for them to grow. Then you harvest them. Like this. Oh, I have a rainbow blueberry. Okay, like this. Okay, now that I got most of the blueberries, now I can get all these tomato potatoes. Well, you know what I mean. And now, okay, let me jump. Okay, got it. Now that I'm done with that, I can sell them. And since this is Grow Garden 2, it's like steal a brain rot. But the only thing is that you can only steal from people's gardens at night. So you have to be super, ultra careful when you're at night. You have to stay and guard your garden, otherwise people will steal. So these are the seeds in stock. First I need to sell my items. So where do you go to sell? I forget sometimes, but you sell right here, right next to the dealer from the other side, from the seed shop, just like in the actual Grow Garden. So I'm gonna sell inventory. I got 1K. So now I can collect it and bring it back to my plot. Mega seed is spawned. The mega seed is spawned. So now I have to go collect it. Ooh, I wanna get the mega seed. Why am I so big? Like, yo, what's up? Like a scoopily be like. I need to get a mega seed. What is this? Where are the mega seed? I wanna get a mega seed. I need one. Where are the mega seed? There's one right by me. Oh wait, there's a mega seed. Why am I so big? I'm so slow. I need a mega seed. Please, someone get me a mega seed. I need a mega seed. Crap. I didn't. No! I didn't get a mega seed. Wait, I could stop people with my thing. Sorry guys if you didn't hear me at first, but I'm playing Grow Garden 2. Wait, I could get a mega seed. I could get a mega seed. Okay, and got him. Guess I got a mega seed. Whew! I got a mega seed just in time. I could get another one. Come on. Yes, got him. Got him again. Nice, I'm so lucky. I got them all. Let's get him. Hey, a bald eagle took me. What is a bald? Okay, good, I'm back to normal. That was silly at first. Okay, now I have to get to my garden. Okay, time to grow my mega seed. It's weird because you could use this to slap people, and they actually take damage. So whenever there's a mega seed, I'm gonna put it here. Gonna harvest my blueberries. Okay, there you go. That's all blueberries. Time to harvest these bad boys. I harvest the bamboo for some reason. Okay, got it. I got all the vegetable and fruit. Now I could go to the cell. You know what I mean, not like actual cell. That'd be weird. Kind of thing to sell. Yeah, duh. Dally D for 2K. Nice. I got a Dally deal. So you could choose between a Dally deal and just a normal deal. But Dally deal is a really good choice. You should do Dally deal. Now let's go to my garden and see what has happened. It grew another blueberry thing. And I have to see what it's like. Oh, wait. This is a mix, I think, because I put them all in one spot. Well, that's what it looks like. Anyways, these strawberries are mine. My strawberries. I gotta go for another deli deal. Dude, I have 5 minutes left until it's nighttime. I'm just spamming my button. It's because I didn't have to, then I'm getting my free super slow. But if that, I'll click just spamming it. Okay, now I got basically all my fruit. Now I have to just get my veggie bowl. Oh, someone just grew a huge fruit just now. Okay, I have to get more of those. I have to get more of those mega seeds. I think I'm gonna do another daily deal. Wait, why am I back in my garden? So, okay, let's see what this guy got anything. So, dude, I ain't got a daily deal because sometimes double or nothing. Yes. Dude, I got nothing. Dude, he gave me nothing. Okay, I have to try next time because he gave me nothing for the fruit and veggies. The solid fruit. He cheated. And if we could expand my plot even worse. Right now, so far, I am failing. Let me view my mail. Jindal, your mailbox. So what am I supposed to do? Okay. Travel. Garden Valley. Fall Harvest World. That was like last year, I think. Well, last month. Yeah, I don't really remember anymore. Okay. I guess I'm in a new world. Let's see what new stuff we could get. Full starter pack, one-time offer. I could get it, but I want to play fair. So I'm not going to get it. Maple carrot. I'm going to get it. Now I got this. Can I bring you with me to the other world and plant it there? I want to see if I can plant it there. It sounds funny because planet. I want to plant it there. Because travel. Let's travel. You are here. Teleport. Strawberry. It grew while you were away. No, it did not. It did not. Like, it wasn't even close to growing that much. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what my garden got for us. I gotta get some gear. Like, it's my gardening gear. Okay, this time I'm gonna do double or nothing again. Because I really want the double or nothing. I have to get the good double or nothing. I can't just get nothing again. Or is this not played fair? But I would have done it myself, so I would have chosen it to do that. Dude, he looks like pro's like, hey, bruh. Got anything to sell? Double or nothing. I'm a double or nothing. Yes. Please. Dude! Dude, what is it doing? I wasted that money. Wait a minute. I have not been getting seeds. Give me your seeds, bro. I got blueberry, tulip. There's like nothing in stock. Bruh! What the heck is this kind of stock? Dude, everyone bought this, which makes no sense. To me, this just makes no sense. It makes absolutely no sense why everyone just absolutely steals this. I'm gonna get a app. Oh my gosh! Someone no corn stock, but you have but you had 9 of those bamboos. Dude, that's a boo. What kind of stock is this? Wait a minute, can I pay to restock? Cost 300 Robux. I could. I'm gonna restock because I need to restock. Tell me that I got good restocked seeds. Dude! It's not even that good. Well, I think, wait, restock in 4 minutes. Dude, they still didn't do good restock. I could have gotten one of these, but I wasted it all and on the bamboo because they wouldn't, because the game. Like, that's just silly. That's just silly. Like, what kind of stocks? Okay, I only have a minute left until I have to guard my thing again. The section of bamboos here. Bamboo going there, 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 and there. Enough to surround me. Then I do the same thing over here. So the trick is just surround yourself with any kind of seed you have. So go all the way to the edge of here, like right here, because then you don't take up all the space. Because then your plant has enough space to grow here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. In the corner. Then you just wait. I cannot harvest anything because I only have 27 seconds. Oh my gosh. I need to get some gear, but I have no money. I am running. I ain't got any shekels. Dude. I need to get some gear. Gear. No, I have no time. I have to go to garden. Okay, no one get in or get even close to my garden. No one touches my garden. Not even close. Don't get close. What are you doing? Whoa. You're calling this my apple tree? Dude, what is happening? Okay, now I'm seriously gardening it. My apple tree is growing like a big baby. Dude, what are you doing? Get out! Get out! One. I'm winning, bro. I'm winning this dude. I'm winning this dude. A gold seed has spawned. Tell me where. I need a gold seed. Please give me a gold seed. I want a gold seed just in case we see it. Hey! Dude, hey! Hey! Did they try stealing my plot? No one steals my seeds. Or my apple tree. But I need to find those golden seeds. Fig one will land in my garden pretty soon. I need a golden seed. What? Dude, they flung me. This is just sad. it's a rainy day. I'm getting hit with a giant, basically giant spatula. I need to find a golden seed. Dude, where the heck are those golden seeds? Oh my gosh. Dude, where are the golden seeds? Hey, is it going from my garden? Hey, get up. How do you know when you see a golden seed? I wonder how people know where the golden seeds are. Okay, good. I escaped. Wait. Okay, good. I skipped the terrifying night. Hey, dude, what ghost? No, ghost! Ha, he did backflip. Ha. Hey, you want that? Yeah, you want that. You better run. Yo, lightning is literally striking my base. I'm lucky. Lightning only strikes in my base. See? It getting hit. Oh, look, it's electric. Hydroelectric. Okay. I think my keyboard is just super hot. Wait, could I harvest? Why is my thing blinking? Is something wrong with it? Oh! I see why it's 48 feet tall. The biggest fruits that I have are made by my apple tree. Dude, I'm so lucky! Oh my god! Nice. Okay, thanks, game. I just go to sell. I just have to sell immediately whatever I can. Sell inventory. I have to do it quickly. Okay, that's pretty fine. That's fine. Okay, let's go to garden. Let's make sure no one got even close. Oh. Wait, can I delete it or can I just sell the whole tree? I'm wondering what will happen. Sure, permanently cancel. I do not want to dig it up. The blueberries! Oh my gosh, I got so many blueberries. I have a lucky strawberry. It's a strawberry. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna sell. Talk, bruh. Guys, I'm gonna sell my whole inventory because honestly, I don't care. Yes, finally, a good payment. Yeah. I want to see what happens in school. Can you steal fruit at night? Because then I'm gonna steal fruit at night. I'm gonna steal one. I'm making a plan. I'm gonna cut the line. Oh! New sell price record. Now I can use it to buy some pet or something. That's super worth it. I want to see something that's cheaper. I could see if I could check this out. I thought I could use Robux. I can't. Wait a minute. a 10 times shekel boost. I guess I could take this. I'm gonna invite my bro. If my bro joins, I'm so good. Hey, why does he have a sign? He's trying to beat me up. He's trying to beat me up. Dude, get out. Okay, gotta get in pet. I really want that out, but I can't. Ah. Okay. Now go serious mode. Serious mode. I have to find a pet that I can get. I guess I'm gonna do frog, guys. Okay, 11K. Still enough for me. Okay, he's already hopping off to my garden. What? You ain't doing anything. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing about this. You ain't doing nothing. Yeah, fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Yeah. Told you. I told him, bro. Okay, anyways. That was... What's an auction? I mean... Oh my god. You can't... Oh my god. Oh, no, the auction is... Yeah, I can't... Well, I won't be able to buy anything. Okay, I need gear. Okay, here's the gears that are in stock. A sign. Jump mushroom, speed mushroom, megaphone. I'm gonna buy the megaphone. So what's the megaphone for? Megaphone volume. Good. Now let's put it in. Oh my god. Wait, guys, I have to delete the thing. Oh my gosh. I literally just sounded that myself just now. I literally just heard that myself just now. That was absolutely insane. Dude. Wait, I'm gonna make it louder. Let's just change the numbers. I'm gonna make it longer. Case. I'm gonna make it 2, 3, 4. Wait, I'm gonna make it. Okay. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna set the megaphone volume. Okay. Okay, guys, I have to go away for a bit. Look at that, my microphone. Guys, it's not working. It's not working. Dude! It's not working. Okay, I'm unequip. You serious? This guy's stink noodle. I'm actually gonna spend Robux. I'm actually gonna spend Robux on just the steal. Okay, what's the rarest thing I could get here? Guys, I'm a steal a bit. Whoa, the Venus flytrap's trying to eat me. Okay, I may steal the rarest thing I could find, and it's that right there. I'm gonna steal this. Oh wait, I'm gonna drop this. Okay, good. Why am I on fire? Dude! I'm actually like... No, people stealing my cups. I hate this game. I might never play this game ever again. But anyways, that was a fun video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, put the comments down below if you like this video or not. Or just click the like button. And I want to get as many views as ever possible on my YouTube channel. Because I'm trying to get to 100 subs. So please get me there. Anyways, bye.